time to talk something about our homestay. So yeah, this has got, as I said, like hot water and all, and also it has got this place. Like, check it out, how cool is that, huh? You got some roping activities there. You got a natural river flows just right by the side. Look at that. I mean, yeah, this is where I'm sitting. You don't know if where I'm sitting is sitting. You just look at that. Do you see that? That's how it is. So yeah, I like this place very much. If you're in Sakaleshpur, you can try this place out. So we are heading towards Bettada Bairaveshwara viewpoint, so that we can catch some viewpoint with some fog around. Hope so, or at least get a sunrise or something. Woo! Whoa, I hope that has come in the shot. Google just told, like, it seems like you have been lost. Fuck. Look at that beauty. We have finally made it to Bettada Bairaveshwara temple. Everyone say hi.
Hi.
Dude, cameraman.
Cameraman Suprakash Jate.
Okay, see the temple. like it is what most people know present in Sakaleshpur. It's called as Manjarabad Fort. The specialty about this fort is that it starts another kind of thing. So you will know once you see the visual of it from top. Made it to the Manjarabad Fort. I have to take some 300 steps to reach there. It should take some 15 minutes. We'll see how it looks. There's still one more way, right? इधर टॉर्च लगा कुछ नहीं ये न्यू येलो ऑन मत इधर ये बंदी खाना है देखो वो गुड़ वगैरह वहाँ पे ना सला के रहता है ठीक है तो उनसे लोगों को बांध देते हैं ऐसे ही लुक हाउ लाइक हॉरिफिक इट वुड बी कत्ला फुल आ कड़े ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ತೂರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಷ್ಟು I had to use the super view mode to get that. I hope it's good enough. Awesome. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं अभी? What are we doing now?
निकल रहा है from here.
What? How was the fort?
Yeah, it was very nice, but more garam is there.
Yeah, more sunlight.
Yeah,
Awesome. Found our prison, okay. Let's take him to the chamber. We'll find out everything.
but they didn't lock me. That's why I came out.
He belongs to some other jail.
That's why I'm going now.
Say hi. Oi. Going to Tea Estate. Kadumane
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಾಡಿ ಬಿಡಲ್ವಾ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ
Stare into the sun, moments holding on, and we hold our breath, close enough to burn, but I never learn.
So we went to Kadumane Estate and saw how they process teas. Basically tea. Basically they will get the ripen or very like the right aged leaf, then they will dry it in the using the air blower kind of process, suck out the moisture from this thing, and then they'll chop it into fine pieces. Then after it has been chopped, it will go to the crusher, which crushes it into a fine paste. Then after the paste, like they will heat it in oven at I think 120 some degrees. So after that you will get your tea. So that's a simple process, but not so simple to maintain it like repeatedly. People work in shifts and all. The thing is, we are not allowed to carry our camera inside, so you should know that they will not allow you to go inside the plant on your own vehicle. You'll have to rent a jeep, which costs you around 20. So yeah, or you can take a walk, which is like 2 kilometers from the gate. I would prefer you take a walk if you are having enough time. Since we didn't have any time, we took the jeep. So now we are returning to Bangalore. No more stops. 2 days were beautiful.